What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a case for my Buds Pro 3. Let's check it out. So my last case did not wirelessly charge when on the actual Buds Pro case, so I'm trying to find something new. I found this brand online, Elago EDC case compatible with Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3. That's what it says on there. Hopefully this one will allow me to charge via QI charger, which we will try out here shortly. But let's check out the packaging first. So right away you can tell it doesn't actually fit in there well, but I'm okay with that. For $12.99, whatever, as long as it's not damaged. Nothing really great to see here on the packaging. 9+ design awards. Interesting. Wonder if that's real. And 100+ design patents. Let's see how much intuition is in here. So adhesive strips, they give them to you. So I guess that's pretty cool because you can take it off and put it back on again if you want to. Comes with a little clip here. This thing feels like it's made of metal, actually. Wow, it's pretty neat. Pretty high quality. Has their name on there, Elago. Pretty cool. These are the strips that come with it. Adhesive strips. And let's check out the case itself. Now this one's a lot cheaper, so I don't expect it to be any magnets in there. A little foam on the inside. It does seem a little thinner, so maybe we'll get lucky with the charging. I'm not going to put the adhesive strips on yet, but let's just get it in there and see what happens. So the fit and finish is pretty nice. I don't think they should include this on the side if they're also giving you the clip, but who cares? It's pretty tight fit. Yeah, it's weird. This little thing actually gets in the way of it. The little ring clip gets in the way of it actually closing. So I will be taking that off for sure. But when that's not in the way, it's fine. The alignment's not perfect along the front edge. It seems to have quite a gap there. But yeah, still no charging. No dice. So I'm beginning to wonder if it's just the pickup on the back, that it's anything in the way will prevent it from charging. Making sure I don't have this upside down. Yeah, no dice. So yeah, if you're looking for a case you can put on that will allow you to charge without having to take the case off with QI, this is not going to do it for you. Part of me wants to like grind this down, but that might be too much work. So it's an alright case. Nothing fancy, nothing to write home about. It's cheap. That's a plus. It does get the job done as far as protecting the device. I don't like that you can't see through it. That's definitely another plus for the Surge case. I have a review for that somewhere. I'll put a link up or a card up here for you guys to take a look at. Being able to see the charge status through the actual case itself is not something I thought I needed, but now that I can't see it, I realize that's pretty awesome. And what I mean by that is when you have the case on, there's a window in the front. For the few extra bucks, if you can't charge anyway, what's the point of having the front be covered? When you drop the actual earpiece in, you can see that they light up, and you can see that through there, letting you know you have a good connection and whatnot. So if you're looking for something minimalist that's really inexpensive, this is not bad. I don't know if I'll be keeping this or not, seeing that it doesn't actually add any, it doesn't provide me the ability to wirelessly charge. It doesn't have magnets, so it doesn't assist in the closing. Like say the Surge one has a couple of magnets in it, so when you close it, it feels like it's, it just feels sturdier, feels better. So If you know of a case for your Buds Pro 3 that allows you to charge wirelessly, let me know. Put a comment down below and I will do a review of that, because this is starting to get frustrating not being able to wirelessly charge these bad boys. So thanks again for stopping by. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.